it's Heidi with WTI. Are you looking for an electronic die cutting machine, but you don't have a lot of space, or you just use small dies? This Griffin Mini Empress die cutting machine may be small, but it gives great big results. The size makes it very portable. It has a handle and it gives great quality die cutting and is great for embossing folders as well. I find it very easy to use. The controls are right on top, and I find that it's faster for me to cut my smaller dies through the Mini. It has a nice small footprint. I can even hold it in the palm of my hand. So it's easy to take on the go if you're going to a crop or over to a friend's house to craft with them. It arrives with all the plate you need to get started right away. I love having this Griffin Mini Empress die cutting machine as an option in my craft room. It speeds up my crafting and I still get great results. And that's my point of view.